Let me ask you something gently. Have you ever earned more money than ever before but somehow still felt broke at the end of the month? It's not because you're bad with money. It's because your brain was never designed to be rich. For thousands of years, humans survived by spending energy the moment they got it. That same wiring is still inside you today, quietly pushing you to spend every dollar you earn. The good news? Once you understand how your mind works, you can gently reprogram it. So let's walk through it together, step by step. First, let's talk about the trap of more. Every time you get a raise, your brain whispers that you deserve a reward. A nicer phone, a bigger apartment, one more subscription. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's the silent reason most people never get ahead. Your income grows, but so does your spending, so your savings stay frozen. Here's the gentle fix. The next time your income rises, pretend it didn't. Keep living on your old budget for 90 days, and send the difference straight into savings or investments. You won't feel the loss, but your future self will quietly thank you. Next, understand why shopping feels so good. When you're stressed, bored, or sad, your brain looks for a quick hit of comfort, and buying something gives you a tiny rush of happiness. The problem is, that feeling fades in minutes, but the bill stays for weeks. So try this kind little rule. Before you buy anything that isn't essential, just wait one full day. If you still truly want it tomorrow, go ahead and enjoy it. But most of the time, that urge quietly fades on its own. You're not weak. You just needed a small pause between the feeling and the purchase. Now here's the most powerful shift of all. Most people save whatever is left after spending, but there's usually nothing left. So flip it around. The moment money arrives, pay yourself first. Automatically move a small amount into savings before you touch a single dollar. Even 10% works. Because it happens automatically, your brain never feels deprived, and your wealth grows quietly in the background. This one habit, repeated month after month, is how ordinary people slowly build extraordinary savings. Wealth isn't built in big dramatic moments. It's built in small, boring, automatic ones. So let's gently recap. Freeze your lifestyle when your income grows. Pause for one day before you buy. And always pay yourself first. None of this requires earning more or being perfect. It just requires understanding the quiet patterns of your own mind. Take it slow, be kind to your future self, and remember, you are not bad with money. You were simply never taught how it works. If this helped even a little, follow along, and let's keep growing your savings together, one calm step at a time.